Hi, it's Zach here to bring you today's deal on the Clean Water Spin Scrubber by Quickie. This is a revolutionary new spin scrubber that will make sure that you're not cleaning your floors with dirty water. Now, spin scrubbers are a huge step up from regular mops. It takes all the effort out of squeezing them dry and getting that clean water onto the floor, but this one is even better because traditional spin mops have you dipping that spin mop into dirty water and then putting it back on your floor. Now, this one actually has two different chambers. It has a clean water chamber and a dirty water chamber, which is where it's going to dispense all that water that you pick up off the ground while you're cleaning. Now, what's great about this is that you don't have to do any extra work. When you go ahead and spin this down onto the bucket, it's going to rinse the mop head with the clean water and get rid of all that dirty water in the bottom portion of the bucket. And when you're done, all you have to do is dump out the dirty water into the sink and rinse this clean. It's super simple. Now, you're going to get everything that you see here. You've got the two-chamber bucket and the Quickie spin mop, which is super easy to assemble. It comes in a couple pieces. You just have to screw them together to get this nice mop. And it even comes with 3 microfiber mop heads, which is great. So you have them for different uses, but they're also machine washable. So you just take them off of here, throw them in the washing machine, and they're ready to go use after use. Now, here's another thing that Quickie did that I've never seen before. On the mop head itself, it actually has this flap that tilts up at 90 degrees, which allows you to get all those baseboards as well as underneath some appliances while you're cleaning the floor without having to bend over and scrub those separately. So really nice design there by Quickie. But this is a microfiber mop head, so it works great with just water. It's going to get up all that those greasy messes, all the dust and debris that you have on your floor, and have them sparkling like new again. We have a fantastic deal on the Quickie Clean Scrubber, so head on over to the site and grab your set today.